Hey guys, for this video we're going to learn about your unique selling point and provide that to the AI editor for your business. For your brand, your unique selling point, or USP, should highlight what makes you different from other business models similar to yours. Your unique selling point needs to be specific, bold, and different from your competitors. For instance, for BrightPath Coaching, the focus is busy professionals. Here's how BrightPath Coaching can stand out. Here I've told the AI editor the BrightPath Coaching USP, unique selling point, is efficient results-driven fitness coaching designed specifically for busy professionals, combining bold energy, streamlined scheduling, and personalized programs that fit into demanding lifestyles. As you can see, the AI editor took that information and completed the initial build of our website. We are now ready to move to the dashboard and continue to build out our website. Thank you for watching.